took a glimpse of the outstanding works of art of famous Negrense painter and artist Bert Berondo. Bert signs his art pieces with bold letters, Bert Berondo. Roberto G. Berondo was born on August 10, 1955. Bert had a big family of 12. In the 80s, Bert went to Manila and worked as a ceramic artist. In 1986, when EDSA revolution took place, he was one of the workers who were displaced. Bert decided then to return to Bacolod and dedicate his life into painting. He then joined the Art Association of Bacolod, or AAB.
I love to paint Filipino culture, tradition, pista sa barrio, harana, and any traditional and culture kind of subject. My work is cubism with distortion. Sometimes the neck is elongated. Mostly of my works is mother and child, Filipino workers, vendors, father and son, mother and child, and any kind of Filipino culture. My family is my inspiration in how to paint. In my artworks, message to all painters are just work and work, and must be creative and must more production on your works, and just concentrate, and that's all. Thank you.
Berondo is known for his broken neck portrait and amazing movement of his brush. Bert's theme reflects the core of being a native Filipino. His concept stands in terms of clean, lucid colors. His works achieves to portray Filipino culture.
And now I have already a record of Portuguese and rock exhibit, and have a 15 solo art exhibit and Bacolod, Iloilo, Manila, Cebu, Antique, Boracay, Bantayan Island, and I think Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. I have now my own art studio and gallery here in my place in Villa Anila, Block 14. It's it's done also my terracotta clay sculpture, and I am now 66 years old and still concentrating my works. Now planning to have my 16 solo art exhibit here in my place in Berondo Art Garden, Resto Bar and Gallery.
Most of his exhibits were entitled Tumandok. Tumandok is a Hiligaynon term for native. His subjects are poverty, social justice, and everyday struggles that he gets in contact with.